Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. Thanks to Wyze for sending me this Wyze Video Doorbell Pro to review and unbox. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our future reviews and tech-related content. Alright, let's get to it. Let's talk about the features that make the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro stand out. Stunning 2K resolution video. This means you'll get sharp and detailed footage of everything happening at your doorstep. Real-time alerts receive instant alerts on your smartphone. Whenever someone approaches your door, the motion detection is highly customizable, allowing you to fine-tune the sensitivity, communicate with visitors, delivery drivers, or even potential intruders through the two-way audio feature. It's like having a virtual intercom system. Worried about nighttime security? The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro has you covered with its clear night vision capability. The Wyze Video Doorbell Pro comes with all the necessary mounting hardware. You'll need to mount the bracket securely to your door frame or wall. It's compatible with popular smart home platforms like Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making it even more convenient to use. Alright, let's install it now. First off, let's install this Bell speaker. Once your doorbell is physically installed, download the Wyze app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the doorbell to your Wi-Fi network. I used the M3 tape that came with it instead of screwing in or drilling in screws. This is probably the easiest camera I ever set up. Now that it's all set up, let's talk about why the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro is worth every penny. With the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro, you can see who's at your door in real time, whether you're at home or away. This adds an extra layer of security to your home. Enjoy peace of mind, knowing that you can check on your home anytime, anywhere with the Wyze app. It's a game changer for travelers and busy homeowners. So there you have it, the Wyze Video Doorbell Pro. It's packed with features, easy to install, and provides unmatched security and convenience. If you're serious about upgrading your home security, this is the way to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.